Putting these push rods in. I was wiping it off just now. I like to put it back, whichever end was the top, I want it to be the top. There's nothing to putting the push rods in. All you doing is literally putting the push rods in. Now when you get to adjusting them, that's when the little funny, tricky mix come in. That's when you kind of got to know a little something. Cause you just don't tighten them to a certain spec. I can't, one can't just say, hey, yeah, you tighten them to 35 foot-pounds and they're ready. Nah, it don't work like that. I wish it did. But that's the last of those push rods. That's the only thing that I'm reusing, the push rods. Yeah, besides that, this whole thing is gonna be a new man. But yeah, about to adjust those rocker arms in a second.